So we're here in Corfu, Greece today. The man from The Crown was born here. This is Mon Repos Palace, which is one of the palaces that used to belong to the Greek royal family. This is very nice.
What's this one?
This is the palace. It's very nice.
What is it, a palace?
The princesses. So we're going to go into Prince Philip's house, Mon Repos Palace. This is the main entrance of the palace. This is lovely. This man is Sir Frederick Adam, who was the High Commissioner of the Ionian Islands, and he built the palace for his wife, who was from Corfu. I'd love someone to build me a palace. Will you build me a palace?
No.
Out of Lego even?
No.
This statue kind of looks like Sylvester Stallone. The Ionian Islands merged with Greece in 1867, and then the palace was given to the Greek royal family and they used it as their summer home until 1967, when I think there was a coup and they were asked to leave. Why is this room closed? Nice bit of Greek sculpture in there. You press a button and it lights up. It's not a piano. Your power cut now because you turned on all the lights.
Looks like rain, Ted.
It looks like a prison. I presume the bars are just there to protect it from thieves. Look at that for a view. You can see Albania over there. A lovely veranda looking out over the gardens. I googled it and the Greek royal family were overthrown in a military coup in 1967.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be nice, would it, at all?
What?
Being overthrown in a military coup. They probably could have done with some nicer carpet though. The palace was lovely, probably a little bit sparsely decorated. I would have liked to have seen more of what it looked like when it was a palace. But yeah, it was nice. It was interesting to learn about the Greek royal family. I think the moped really completes the look of the palace. What's he doing? How did you find a cat? Hello. You don't want to be in video? I'm not sure if you can hear it on the video, but there's a very loud thunderstorm at the moment. I don't mean to cause concern, but if I was a Greek snake, this is where I'd hang out. Can we leave the forest now? We look like we're joggers. This is lovely. Although we might need to find some shelter from the rain now. You really will fall now. This is very nice.
There's Colin there now.
I'm going to walk out on the jetty after Dennis. Is the end of the jetty nice?
Watch this hole, there's a big massive hole.
And I'm liable to fall in, is that what you're saying? I'm not overly sure that a slippy jetty in the rain is a good idea. Part of it has collapsed too. Look at the yachts. The whole end of it has collapsed. I'm going to go back this way now because being out here surrounded by water when there's lightning is probably not a great idea. We're now lost in a forest in the middle of a thunderstorm. This nice man at the MSC shuttle just gave me a poncho. Well, if you don't ask, you don't get. It's 2F for an outdoor fort. I'm not sure a fort in the rain would be much fun. This is the largest square in Corfu town. I don't know what the name of it is because it's too wet to take out the map. This is lovely. Or at least it would be if there wasn't rain dripping down my back. Now I know what people feel like when they go on holidays to Ireland. This is the Palace of St. Michael and St. George. It's the Museum of Asian Art. If I wanted to see Asian art, I would have gone to Asia. That's Sir Frederick Adam who invented the other palace. I'm sure I'd be able to appreciate the palace a bit more if I wasn't so damp. We're going to go for a walk through the Old Town. Hopefully there's some nice churches and old buildings. This is very pretty. Oh, the little shops are lovely. Oh my god. For sure. Then it's on a bit damp to go in there, I think. You light candles outside the church. That's really cool, isn't it? Are we allowed into Greek Orthodox churches?
Yeah, we can record.
Dennis, look at the size of your woman's candles. This one has one too. They just have huge candles. I'm going to go into my local church with candles that size and see what they say. It's a very nice town, isn't it? Corfu town is a lot prettier than I was expecting it to be.
I'm not walking up to that fortress today.
This is the fortress Dennis didn't want to walk to. It's closed anyway. This is the old port. This is Dennis. I'd say this is really beautiful in its prime. We were waiting on the bus and all of these people just showed up. I hope they're not an Airbus.
I actually just realised I didn't get a gyro. I love a gyro.
So I had a lovely day in Corfu. Did you, Dennis?
I did. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's a beautiful city. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting it to be.